Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a new video. In this video I am going to unbox the Redgear Cosmo 7.1 headphone and also wanna give you an overview of the headphone. So without any further delay, let's jump right into it. So this is the retail box of the Redgear Cosmo 7.1 headphone. Here you can see we have the pictorial representation of the headphone. This headphones comes with 7.1 virtual surround sound. It is a full-sized over-the-ear headset and it has also got a noise cancelling microphone. And it is based on the USB interface. Well, we have got nothing at the sides. At the back we have got some technical specifications about the headphone, like we have got 50 mm drivers and also it has got a cord length of 2.2 meter. Now let's just unbox the headphones. Okay, so let's open this up. Here you can see the headphone itself. Let's keep this aside. Other than the headphone, we have got some documentation and a driver CD. Well, this is the headphones. Let's just take it out. So here we have got two metal straps which are pretty flexible and also a soft cushion near the headband. As you can see, this has got a USB interface. The USB connector is gold plated, so there is no chance of rusting. This also comes with a controller. Here we have the volume button, the microphone on off button and the LED. Well, we have got a pretty strong wire here. It is really strong, as you can see. This is not braided, but the wire has got a layer of plastic going around it, and due to this it is also tangle free, which is a pretty great. As you can see, this is really strong. Well, these headphones can also be configured via the Redgear software. You also get a driver CD here which contains the Redgear software through which you can control it, but nowadays we don't have optical drives in our PC, so we can download it via internet. I will show you in the later part of the video. So guys, this is the audio sample recorded via the Redgear Cosmo 7.1. Do let me know in the comments how is the sound quality. So guys, let me show you how to download the Redgear drivers. Just go to the Google Chrome, type Redgear Cosmo 7.1 drivers and press enter. Now here you can see redwoodinteractive.net. You have to go to this website. Search for the Redgear Cosmo 7.1 headphone. Here you can see. Just click on download driver. It will take you to the Google Drive website. Now download it. As you can see, this is downloading. Now after this, just click on this one. Click yes. It will show you for just remember this, you have to disconnect the audio device before installation. So click English. Now next down. Now install this. As I have already done, I am not going to do it, so I am cancelling it. Just click on the Redgear Cosmo 7.1. As you can see, this is the interface. Now from here you can select whatever according to your personal choice. This is the virtual 7.1, and in EQ you have various controls, and in effects you have theater, bathroom, living room, corridor, etc. You have various modes and also this mic. So guys, that is it for the unboxing and overview. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, do share it with your friends, drop a like and comment down below. Next I will upload the review of this headphone, so stay tuned for that. So as always, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys and bye.